That's what the commentary coming in from the RBI was.
All right, so Pallavi joining in on that, thank you very much. With UPI, in fact, gaining wider prominence, the RBI today has decided to enhance certain limits of UPI products. Now, these changes are expected to encourage further adoption of UPI, and Subhana Sheikh joins in with the reasons behind RBI's move.
Yes, so the RBI has increased the limits for two UPI products. First, it has increased the limits for UPI 123 Pay. It has enhanced a per transaction limit to 10,000 rupees from 5,000 rupees earlier. Now, UPI 123 Pay was launched in March 2022, and it actually enables users with feature phones to make transactions through simple methods like probably a missed call. Now, further instructions will be issued on the NPCI website shortly, and the other product that they have increased the limits is UPI Lite. RBI has actually decided to increase the wallet limit to 5,000 rupees from 2,000 rupees earlier, and it has also increased the per transaction limit of UPI Lite to 1,000 rupees from 500 rupees earlier. So these moves by the Reserve Bank of India has actually designed to improve the accessibility and efficiency of digital payments across the country, and particularly for those without smartphones or access to actually high speed internet. So yes, that's on the UPI.
All right. Now, Subhana, the other part of what we've heard from the RBI today is that MSMEs will now be able to prepay loans without paying a foreclosure penalty. So that's something that would work out well for them. And obviously, the RBI has kept consumer interest at the center.
Yes, you said it correctly. So banks and NBFCs were actually not allowed to levy foreclosure charges or prepayment penalties on any floating rate term loan given to individual borrowers for non-business purposes. But now the RBI is actually proposing to broaden this scope of guidelines, which would actually include loans given to MSMEs in this, so that MSMEs will be actually able to prepay loans, without paying the foreclosure charges. Now, few banks, while some banks don't actually impose these kind of foreclosure charges, but few banks continue to do so. So, and these foreclosure charges are largely between 2 to 5% of prepayment amount, excluding taxes. So, the governor actually also said that this move is actually largely to safeguard customers' interest, through better transparency and customer centricity by lenders.
Subhana, thank you very much for joining us and breaking those two big points from the RBI governor's speech today. Moving on, Hyundai Motor in